Build your own airplane kit from the dollar store.
Hi, this is Captain Johnny Fox here, and I'm gonna build your own airplane. So we're gonna start with the back of here, the back of like the bottom of the airplane. And then we take the red and yellow, and those are the propellers.
The wings.
I mean the wings. And we take this one because it's like this, but we put it upside down. Then we take this.
Excuse me.
This. And now the top of the body. It's hard. There we go. Next we take this. Then we put that on. Then we put this screw in.
That's the seat.
Let's go. Okay, then we take this piece, we put it in here, then we screw it. Stop.
There's Eric.
And he's the Eric the Hedgehog.
He's going to be doing the motorcycle next.
Uh-huh. Next, we take this piece. We put that on the front. We take the propeller. Well, hold on. We're actually supposed to put this first. Put this wheel in first. Okay. Then we put this in. We put the wheel in. Now we put that in. Then right here. And we put the propeller on. Then we put that in. Then we screw it.
Nice handy little screwdrivers there. Come with the kit.
Mm-hmm. Okay, there's the airplane.
Yep, build your own airplane kit on Dollar Tree.
From the dollar store. Bye, and don't forget to hit the bell and subscribe and hit the like button to see more videos. And don't forget to
hit the arrow for more of these videos too.
Bye!